Well, in front of me I have the Insta360 GO Ultra, and I will be going over unboxing along with criticizing it. So let's get into it. So let's just first open it up, and from there I will just start completely tearing into Insta360, just generally, not this specific product, but Insta360, and telling you why I don't think you should ever even consider buying anything from this brand. So, anyway, and here we got absolutely nothing. Then on the top right here, another actually strong magnet. We have some paperwork, stickers, instruction, and this kind of cool opening up design, so whatever. It's not about the coolness right here, because the product is the thing that you'll be using for the most part, and that should matter the most. So I'm gonna tell you why you should not get this in a moment. And that is holding pretty well there. So in here we get, there we go, our cables. Something fell out. There we go. There we go. That's everything here. So we have the more of a traditional little action cam flip up here. We get the less traditional kind of on the go thing with the is there a design for this when it flips? Anyway, so here we have a more of a kind of like a hanging neck design, so we can just have this hanging over, and yeah, it just becomes secure. We have a linear right here as well, so presume this is it, right? Am I correct? Yes, I am. So here we have a linear, so you can basically route it through here and also have that hanging off your neck, so if they somehow detach from each other, then this won't go flying off and possibly breaking. Now next we have clip-on, same design. We do have this a little bit more securely attached, as there we go, as it has these holes right here and protrusions, so clips in and we won't be rotating at all. And this can just clip onto something. Also have a couple steps of movement, and you can see this is pretty tight, so it won't be like just flipping on its own. Just to kind of showcase this, it's not really flipping up. And lastly we have this, so there we go, it attaches in here, and you can now use it as a action cam. Now with that out of the way, let's get into why I don't think you should be buying this trash. I'm just gonna name it as it is. Can we boot it up? Oh, there we go, that's the power button. Great, it's turning on. What a joy. So because this is Insta360, we get to select our language. Next. Please download the Insta360 app in the App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. Excuse me, what do you want me to do? How about work without it? Now, this is now even bigger bullshit. So it no longer gives us the option to skip this. Before, Insta360 had the little option to skip this 5 times only, at which point you would be able to use for those 5 times the camera without actually needing the application. Now, the reason why I'm being super critical about this and just telling you not to get this is because when getting this, Insta requires the application, and their explanation for the app is it's for your safety. It's for your safety that we want you to download this application, install it, and allow us to access your location and all the other bullshit. It's for your safety we're gathering and sending ourselves your data so we can sell it and make money. It's for your safety we're all doing all that. And it's for your safety that this device will work only with applications. So in the future, when we decide to implement a software update that will completely lock it away, unless you pay us a monthly subscription, this will be for your safety that you cannot use it unless you pay us. Go fuck yourself. So, I also want to point out that Insta360 likes to sponsor their garbage. I am not sponsored, obviously. So what I am saying right now is just straight kind of truth and probably highly likely foreshadowing into the future. As it's been happening more and more in the industry that you get a software updates that you can't really do anything about it, and it's illegal for you to unlock it because, God forbid, you have control over your own devices. No. So, basically flashing these things with other softwares is supposedly illegal. So if you create a software that would somehow circumvent future kind of payment plans that Insta would implement, yeah, that's illegal. They can take it to court. I don't recommend any kind of device that literally forces you to use an application, because without the application you cannot use this device, meaning that you don't have full control over the product that you paid. Therefore, in the future, if they decide to implement any kind of changes, maybe they decide to use this camera as a way to train their AI models from what it sees in photographs or videos that you take. And if you don't like it, you cannot use this device that you paid full price, and those things can be changed later on. So no matter what you buy this right now and how it works, that might not be tomorrow the same way that it will work. And therefore, I would never recommend picking up anything like this that it doesn't give you the freedom to use it in the way that you want to without needing to connect to bullshit applications. These things, like Insta has already shown with the buttons, maybe not for this specific model, but the other ones like 360 and well, the Insta360, 360 or whatever, 180, they have proven that these can work on their own. But it's for your safety that they don't. It's for your safety that you're required to basically give up your privacy and use their application. And only 5 times are they gracefully allowing you to use it without, which also proves that it works without it. So it's just a hindrance. So yeah, I don't recommend this. Insta has been trying to promote their products by paid advertisement, and God forbid you ever say anything negative about their devices. No, that's not part of the offer of promoting their products. Obviously, you can be critical about it. You can only say positive things. So if you see any kind of reviews that are just only positive, yeah, they're probably paid. And in any case, I have only negative things to say, and I don't care about the positives, how well this works, because the core principle of this brand and the way it's functioning is disgusting. I do not recommend ever picking up something like this that completely removes your possibility to have control over this device, and you're basically being strangled with an application to use this device, even though this alone is well and capable of working on its own. So that's about it. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.